What is the one thing that world's wealthiest people all have in common? 88% of them read at least for 30 minutes a day, compared to just 2% of the general population. If you aspire to join the ranks of wealthy entrepreneurs, reading is an invaluable skill. Books lead us to new ways of thinking, help us push through the tough times, and teach us how to become successful businessmen and women. If you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, here are 10 must-read books. Number 10. Choose Yourself by James Altucher. This is an amazing book. Altucher writes like an old friend, and his self-depreciating style is raw, honest, and the kick in the pants every entrepreneur needs. Here's my favorite quote from the book. The only skill you need to be an entrepreneur are the ability to fail, to have ideas, to sell those ideas, to execute on them, and to be persistent. So even as you fail, you learn and move on to the next adventure. Number 9. Rework by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson. Rework is not your average business book. It shows you a smarter, faster approach to succeed in business. This is the best book I have ever read about entrepreneurship. It defies traditional rules and offers simple, no-nonsense advice for starting your own company like this. The best way to get there is through iterations. Stop imagining what's going to work. Find out for real. Number 8. Purple Cow by Seth Godin. Godin is one of the greatest entrepreneurial minds in the world. In Purple Cow, he advocates building something so amazing that people can't ignore you. There are a lot of great lessons in this book. It's definitely one you will be making notes on throughout. Master quote is, you must design a product that is remarkable enough to attract the early adopters, but is flexible enough and attractive enough that those adopters will have an easy time spreading the idea. Number 7. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. 7 Habits is a classical book about leadership and success. There's a reason it has sold millions of copies. The lessons are timeless and they work. My personal favorite in this is Win-Win Habit, which says that one of your priorities should be to create a product or service that benefits your customer and then worry about the rest. Number 6. Tribes by Seth Godin. Godin makes this list twice because Tribes should be required for reading for every entrepreneur. Here's the most important takeaway from me. Almost all growth that's available to you exists when you aren't like most people, and when you work hard to appeal to folks who aren't most people. In short, choose your audience first, then find a product that fulfills an unmet need. Number 5. Meditation by Marcus Aurelius. If there's one book that changed the way I think more than any other, it's this. Being an entrepreneur is about finding balance in your life. It's a constant juggling act, and meditation, the classic book of wisdom from Stoic philosopher and Roman Emperor Aurelius, will help you keep grounded. My takeaway: you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Number 4. Creative Confidence by Tom and David Kelly. This book will help you unlock your inner creativity. Even if you think it's an area where you're lacking, a must-read book for entrepreneurs. My takeaway: take time to ask yourself each day when I was at my best or when was work most rewarding. It can help you point toward roles or activities that will enrich your work and reveal what gives you the greatest pleasure of fulfillment. Number 3. To Sell is Human by Daniel Pink. Even if you don't consider yourself a salesperson, all entrepreneurs need to understand how to sell. This book breaks down the stigmas about the salesmanship and shows you a simple strategy for moving others. It's a fantastic read. Number 2. The Slight Edge by Jeff Oslon. The Slight Edge philosophy is based on doing little things, which done consistently over time add up to the big accomplishments. This is a great read for entrepreneurs because it shows you how doing the little stuff and continuously improving are the keys to success. Number 1. 4-hour work week. by Tim Ferriss. This is an exceptional book. Ferriss lays out a brilliantly simple plan for taking your new big idea to marketplace. Pick a specific topic you know and have experienced more about than your audience. Test different types of positioning and find out what your audience need your help with. Then develop a product that meets their need. This is one of my favorite books of all time that will show you plenty of shortcuts for taking your entrepreneurial dream to reality. So which book are you going to read first of all? Comment below. And that is a wrap on today's video, guys. If you like such videos, comment below and tell me if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button.